Chaos were for the better part of Tuesday morning witnessed in Mumias after residents engaged the police in running battles demanding the release of Kakamega Senator Cleopas Malala. Malala was later freed without conditions. His release came after the Director of Public Prosecutions dropped charges against him. Senator Malala has vowed to defend his stand on the controversial revenue sharing formula that has seen division in the Senate.
I will still be in that house whatever day to vote as per the wishes of the people of Kakamega. And this is my stand on this matter. One, that we cannot have a divisive nation. We cannot have a country whereby half of the country is benefiting and another half is losing. We've said this time and again, and we've insisted on this point, that we need to have a win-win formula in this conversation.
The Law Society of Kenya has accused the government of using security officers to settle political scores against those opposed to state policies. LSK President Nelson Havi warned continued use of police officers to intimidate political leaders was a recipe for disaster ahead of the 2022 general election.
We condemn the action on the part of the police, but way forward, the Director of Public Prosecution has directed that there is no reason as to why the senator should continue being held. And I believe, as a lawyer, I can state affirmatively the decision by the Director of Public Prosecution is informed by the fact that there can be no valid charge in the manner in which it was intended by the police here.
Deputy President William Ruto has lauded the formation of a bipartisan Senate committee to end the revenue sharing stalemate. However, DP Ruto fired shots, saying the abuse of police and the criminal justice is not the reasons why millions of Kenyans voted for the Jubilee government. ODM leader Raila Odinga, through a statement to Newsroom, slammed the use of force to intimidate and create room for chaos. Raila urging the state to tone down the ethnic and regional rhetoric and diffuse the tensions that bubbled to the surface over the county revenue sharing formula. Bomet Senator Christopher Langat and his Samburu counterpart Steve Lelegwe were also released after recording statements with the police. The three senators were arrested Monday, a day when the Senate was to make a key decision on the county sharing formula. Eli Logova, TV47, Nairobi.